Today I made Sprunki Kuromame out of clay. Keep watching to see the entire sculpting process from start to finish. Kuromame is a unique musical character with a dark and mysterious design. He has a gray body, a calm expression, and half-closed eyes that give him a sleepy, slightly unimpressed look. One of his most recognizable features is the row of small white fangs around his face, which adds a playful yet spooky touch to his appearance. He also wears a tall black hat that makes him look even more stylish and memorable. Despite his simple design, Kuromame has a lot of personality and stands out instantly among other Sprunki characters. I tried to recreate every detail as accurately as possible in this clay sculpture. I hope you enjoy watching the process and the final result.